and welcome to my channel. I am Shari and I am based here in Cagayan de Oro City. So for today's video, I am going to share my 5 steps in editing my videos. So I know guys that there are some of you, if you're a vlogger or if you're a YouTube video creator, there are some who takes 4 hours in editing the videos. So the things that I'm going to share with you through this video are the things that I've learned for 2 years in vlogging. So ito yung mga step-by-step process guys na natutunan ko para mapabilis yung aking pag-i-edit. I'm just here in our little space and I am about to fold clothes. And so naisip ko lang guys, because I have mentioned this in my previous videos, that I'm going to share kung yung mga steps kung paano ko mag-edit ng videos. Well, ito na yun. So let's start. Okay guys, first na kailangan yung tandaan before kayo mag-edit is dapat all of the files, the pictures, and the videos na gagamitin nyo or yung A-rolls or B-rolls nyo dapat nasa isang folder siya or dalawang folder. Basta yung accessible sa inyo by the time na i-export nyo yung videos. Napaka-importante nun guys kasi nakakapagod maghanap kung nasaan na yung B-roll na ganito na kailangan mong gamitin or nasan yung screenshot or nasan yung picture na kailangan mong gamitin for your videos. So before you start, make sure that you have gathered all of those in one accessible folder. Okay, so let's start. First step is to insert all of your videos. So what are you going to insert? Of course, your intro, your outro, your content. Okay, so baliktad yun. So dapat intro, content, and outro video. Iba kasi naglalagay sila ng highlights before the intro guys. I think you will identify your highlight clips once you go through your editing. So after you insert all of your videos, you edit or cut, you trim or cut your videos. Yung iba kasi guys, nagka-cut sila after taking the video or taking the B-roll, or they are traveling or they are chatting with their friends. But for me guys, I'm not comfortable in looking on my screen while traveling because I have motion sickness. So ginagawa ko yun in one setting talaga while nag-i-edit ako. So, yun, second na ginagawa ko is I trim all of the videos or cut all of the videos and remove the unnecessary blank spaces or in between of your videos that are not needed or it just creates space in your videos. So, my second step would be inserting the pictures on video or the videos in videos like this one and like this one. So, yan yung nasa second step ko, guys. So, gusto kong gawin yan para hindi siya mag-mix out dun sa ibang layers. Okay? So, yun din, kailangan i-prepare nyo rin yun before editing your content. So, this step also, you can also insert the stickers na gusto mong gamitin or the logos na gusto mong i-insert dito sa iyong videos. So, yung third step na ginagawa ko is to insert all of my captions. So, yun yung pangatlong layer ko guys na ginagawa. So, I will insert all of the captions and of course, edit all of the captions. Medyo mahaba yun. So, if you have 5 minutes, medyo mahabang insertan ng captions yon. And yung timing, of course, importante yun. The fourth step naman guys is I would insert the background music. Bakit background music yung i-insert ko? Because usually, the background music are the longest compared to our sound clips. So, sometimes pag nag-insert tayo ng sound clips, I know some of you can relate. Sometimes if nag-insert tayo ng sound clips guys, at saka tayo mag-insert ng background music, medyo mag-mix up sila. So, yun yung ginagawa ko para mas mabilis ako matapos mag-edit. So, the last thing naman na ginagawa ko ay inserting the sound clips. Of course, yung mga laughing sound clips, yung mga applause sound clips, like ganito. Ayan, so yun yung last na ginagawa ko, guys. Okay, so yun yung 5 steps na ginagawa ko in editing my videos. So after that, of course, you will export your videos. Make sure that you have renamed your video before exporting it so that it would be easier for you to locate your videos in your files. One tip din na natutunan ko is the name of your video should be the same with the name or should be the same with the title of your content for searching purposes. Ayun, so siguro sa inyo may nakaalam na ng ganyan. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope na may natutunan po kayo. If you have video suggestions, please don't forget to comment it down below in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and the bell notification on the side so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. So yes, that's all for today. God bless everyone.